Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, I have a link down below. Click on that link, you can get your first box. You can get $25 towards your first box or off your first box. So you can get it for free and have $5 left over to spend. In the box, you get your bundle, your return mailer to ship back anything you don't like, your style card, as well as your price sheet. So I'm going to go over the items, try them on, and then go over prices at the end. So my stylist is Brianna still, and if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to open the bundle. Okay, so the first item here looks like a cardigan top. Cute. Flat front, because I do not like waterfall, so she listened this time. And it looks like it has two pockets, and it's cream colored, and it's kind of thin for spring, so that's super nice. And it's a little bit longer, which I like that as well. And this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Smith Essential Boyfriend Cardigan in off-white. So that's really cute. Next, I think I have this top in blue. It is this green color top, which is super cute. The blue one I don't really reach for, so we'll see if I like this one. It has cutout on the sleeve, so you can see that. See the cutout on the sleeve? Just a basic top, and it's green. So this is the Colette Rami Cold Shoulder Knit Top in Olive. So that's pretty cute. The next one, not a fan of. I'm not like boho, and this is more like a boho top. This really is not my style at all. It is super see-through and thin, and I'm not a fan of the tassel like tie here or the embroidery. So this is the John Paul Richard Destiny Tassel Detail Top in light blue. Not really a fan of that, unfortunately. Next is another top like that that has a tie in the back. This is cute, but there's the top front. It's another like boho kind of top. This is kind of cute. It's see-through as well. And it looks like it has this little tie in the back. So let's see what this is. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. And it is the Daniel Rain Becrew Lace Detail Blouse in white. I don't know. All right. Next are these Dear John jeans. They're okay. They look very big, and they look a little bit long for me. I like them a little bit shorter. So this is okay. I like the ends here that are distressed, but I also like some distressing on it. These are the Dear John Lily Distress Fray Step Hem Short. It's kind of like a high-low short. Kind of cute, but they look really big. So that's all my items. So I'm gonna come back and try everything on for you. And on the side, I'll have a picture of the item and the price in the description. So if you like any of the items, you can request them. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, first item I have is this top. I actually put this on and I like this a lot better than in the picture and also holding it up. I did not tie it in the back, but I thought that was super cute. You kind of can see through it a little bit, but I really like this top and design, and I like the shoulders actually. It's kind of really cute. It's kind of longer and it covers everything. So I kind of like this a lot. So next item, what I'm gonna do is come back and put the cardigan on so you can see that as well on top of this. Okay, next I have is the cardigan, which is super cute. I would totally get so much wear out of this. I like that it's flat, has pockets, it's longer, and I like it. I don't know if I like it exactly with this top, but I really like this a lot. I definitely get some wear out of this with spring. I have a gray one like this, but it's a little bit thicker, and I love it a lot. So this is super cute. Okay, so the next top is this Colette top. I really like this color. It's really cute. I like the side slit. I definitely would get some use out of this top. There we go. It's cute. Definitely get some use out of this top. Fan. See the embroidery, it just doesn't do anything for me. I guess you could wear it off the shoulder. But if it was a little bit smaller, I think it would be cute. So yeah, I don't know. Like, it's really long on me. It's huge. So this is gonna be a no. Okay, next I have the shorts. They're actually not that bad. I just wish they were a little bit shorter, but they fit really nice. They're not like super tight. They're a little bit big in the waist. But yeah, I mean, they're really nice if you like these kind of shorts. Definitely. Okay, so I'm back. Let's discuss the prices and what I think I'm gonna keep. So these shorts are the Dear John shorts, and they're $58. I think they're really comfortable. They just were a little bit big on me, but they were a little bit shorter. I definitely would have kept these. This top here, this John Paul Richards like boho top, it's just not my style at all. That was $42. The Colette top right here was $34. This was super cute. This is a maybe. It's super soft as well. And this one was really cute, but I probably wouldn't reach for it too much. This is the Daniel Rain top, and it's $68. That is really pricey for me. So that's probably going to be a no. I'm going to send that back. So this Mix by 31 Hawthorne a cardigan. So this one is definitely going to be a keeper. It is only $34. No, Mix $40. So definitely going to keep that. On the fence about this Colette top. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.